One of the first things that we have done is we have identified some generators, and we're going to make those generators available we're going to start with 50 in the most impacted and remote communities. We will loan them the generators.
Mr. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, look here there a minute. Andrew, you get generators were donated to you from overseas for the Jamaican people to help them. Yeah, tell the people them say, yeah, lend them the generators. They are alone. Until they catch themselves, you're going to need them back. Andrew, you're not buy the generator them out of your pocket. You get them for donate to the Jamaican people. You behave like you buy them. You not buy them.